Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
What's up, y'all? My name's Travis here at AFMK. Today I'm going to do a small short video to show you if your drawer is messed up on a basic GE range. So if you have a drawer that doesn't sit right, wobbly, something's going on with it, what you're going to want to try to do is pull it out entirely. If you can get it out entirely, you want to check these back clips here. Certain systems are different, but on this type of GE range, on lots of standard GE ranges, you're going to have these plastic clips back here, and they just lock into place in the back of your drawer. These are important because down underneath the range, we have this rail system. You can see this side and this side over here. And now these little clips, you need to sit on it correctly. It's kind of a fight, but you can get it on there. Look at this. Something like that. Now, one thing you have to make sure when you pull it out as well is make sure they're not broken, obviously. This will not function well if they're broken. They're easy enough pieces to replace. You can glue them back on there if you absolutely need to. They have these clips that sit on the inside, but as you can see, you can also screw it in if it becomes too loose. Once again, we'll come in here, we'll line it up on that small rail, both sides of the rail here, and you should get a nice smooth action like that. And that's as easy as it is. Now this is specifically for this GE brand. Some of them will be a little bit different, and we'll touch on those at a later date. But on these basic GE ranges, that's all you're gonna have to worry about if your drawer isn't coming in and out too well. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any further questions about this, please feel free to leave some comments and we'll answer them. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.